Watch this. A DFA has, so they are talking about deterministic finite automata. The main difference between DFA and NFA is, in DFA, if you are in one state and if you are looking at one symbol, you will go to only one next state. It is deterministic. Non-deterministic, if you are in one state and if you are looking at a symbol, you might go to more than one state, right? And therefore the number of paths will be different or more than one. For example, in DFA, if you are in one state and if you are looking at one symbol, input symbol, you will go in only one direction or one path. But in case of non-deterministic finite automata, NFA, if you are in one state and if you are looking at one input symbol, you might go in two different paths. This is the main difference between DFA and NFA. Remember that, right? So DFA has single final state. It is false because a finite automata can have any number of final states. So if you remember the definition of finite automata, it is a quintuple which is Q, sigma, delta, Q naught and F, where Q is set of states, sigma is input alphabet, delta is the transition function, Q naught is the initial state. See, Q naught is initial state, it is not a set. Therefore, initial state has to be only 1, and F is set of final states. Set of final states. That is why the number of final states in a finite automata can be more than 1, right? So, single final state, it is wrong. It can be more than 1, or in fact, it can be 0 also. It can be 0 final states or 1 final state or more than 1. It need not have single final state. That is what I mean to say. And the next one is more than one initial state. So initial state has to be always unique and it has to be single. It cannot be more than 1. So because Q naught is just a state, it is not a set, right? So it is also wrong. And next one is unique path for a given set of inputs to the final state. Yes, in finite automata, in DFA, you will have a unique path. So for any given input, you will have a unique path. You are not going to have many paths like in NFA, right? Therefore, C is the answer. Okay.